Congratulations on the purchase of your Weber Smart Gas Grill. This video will walk you through the steps to get set up and get grilling. Start by powering on the Weber Connect display screen by pressing the checkmark button located on the screen. There are two ways to power your Weber Connect display screen. You can insert 6 D-cell batteries into the box located in the grill cabinet. If your battery level is low, we recommend using an external battery pack and connecting it to the USB port inside of your grill cabinet. Once the batteries are installed, check the battery life level and that you have enough gas in your grill to complete a cook. If the battery indicator is red, you'll need to replace your batteries or use an external battery pack. If the fuel level indicator is red, then you're running pretty low on fuel and you may want to replace your tank before continuing. Now, it's time to preheat your grill by turning on all of the burners to high. Preheat your grill for about 15 minutes. The grill is now preheating, and you can see the current temperature on the display screen. Once the grill is preheated, insert one end of your meat probe into the display screen. Insert the other end with the long probe into your food. Make sure to probe your food from the side, in the thickest portion of your meat. Adjust the probe temperature to your desired doneness level. Press the alert button twice. Once the probe temperature is flashing, use the arrow buttons to set your desired food temperature. Press the checkmark button to confirm temperature. Setting your probe at 105 will provide you with the perfect medium rare steak after a 5-minute rest. Place the meat onto the grill and route the probe wires through the side of the grill. View the current food temperature progression on the display. Once food has reached the perfect doneness, based on the temperature that you set, an alarm will sound on your grill. Remove the probes and then press and hold the checkmark button to power down your Weber Connect module. Turn off the grill by turning off all of the burners. Enjoy!